Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very good questions from the vocabulary section or the English section as you call it, and the question that we'll be dealing with is of para jumbles. Okay, the kind of question that we'll be focusing on, the type of para jumble is more or less a very difficult one. That is the six uh, statement para jumble. That is, we are given with six statements whom we have to arrange in a coherence paragraph. Okay, so this is one of the more difficult kind of para jumbles. So we want to because we have to work with six statements and we have to keep in mind the gist of each and every one of these. Okay, now if we talk about the para jumbles in general, this para jumbles form a huge chunk of the VA section in general. So a lot many of these questions are asked, so it is really important to keep a good sound grasp on this particular topic of the VA section, because this can actually make or break your VA section as well. So what we'll be doing is we'll take this question and try to solve the same, and also try and understand the approach needed towards solving this kind of questions. Okay, so let's take this question into consideration and start off with statement A. The subsidy transmission will take couple of quarters more. The scheme, okay, industry experts say will work because it has come when a sector is recovering and need an impetus push for rapid growth. The scheme, okay, which scheme? We don't know about which scheme it is talking about. So A cannot be the starting statement or the introduction. Okay, so we don't know with whom uh, to basically pair A with. Okay, this is expected to lead what? What is expected to lead? Uh, an increase in export of by 30 mil billion and attract investment of rupees 74,000 crore in 3 years. B again, what is expected to lead? Expected to lead. We have no clue about that. So far we have no idea. We know this what is being talking about is probably about this scheme only, but we don't know what the name of the scheme is and we don't have a concrete proof yet. Let's go with C. A special package in June 2016 allocated rupees 6,000 crores in textile and garment sector, which provides tax and production incentive. Yes, this is possibly the scheme. Okay, this is the scheme that everyone is talking about. So yes, this is the scheme, but can we still pair C with A? C with A, no. But can we pair C with B? C. C introduces the scheme. C basically introduces the scheme. Okay, and B is talking about scheme's benefit. Okay, so therefore C and B will be a pair and C will possibly be the introductory statement. Okay, the paragraph will start with C. Now let's head on with, we can actually easily figure out from the option that this is the answer, but we'll try and solve the entire thing anyways. Okay, let's go with D. However means contradiction. However means contradiction. Okay, manufacturers haven't begun increasing hiring and production as they need further clarity before they can further make investment and hire more employees. Okay, which the government is addressing. Okay, so employees the government needs to address, so this is a contradiction. So initially all the familiar points will come and then we'll start off with the contradiction. Okay, now take a look at this at this point. A, it is saying the manufacturer haven't yet become, and also the subsidy companies will take a couple of more quarter. That is, to cover this entire process we will need a couple of more quarters. So A and D will be a pair where D will come first and A will come second. Okay, this is another pair. This D is talking about an issue and A is talking about the time frame. Okay, it will need to further grow. So we have CB as one pair, we have DA as another pair. Okay, Let's take a look at E. All these measures have led uh, all these measures have a lead time, so we are expecting huge growth in exports and further growth from January 2017, said Gupta. So who is Gupta? This Gupta could very well be this expert, industry expert. Okay, so this Gupta could well be our industry expert. So DAE. Okay, Gupta is possibly the industry expert because he is talking about the industrial terms only. We are expecting all these measures have lead time and all. So he is the Gupta is the industry expert. And now if you talk about F, besides the government expects that it would create 1 million job and help India complete global market goals. So this is again the benefit. Okay, option is talking about benefits that would directly come besides. It uses besides, that is already one pro has been mentioned, and where the pro has been mentioned in statement B. So F will come after B and then following by D, A, E. This will be our order. Okay. C, B, F, D, A, E. That is option 1 will be the correct answer. So I hope this question is clear, how we came about with the solution of the same and how we proceeded to solving the same as well. I hope everything is clear in this regards. So in case you have any doubt with respect to how we solve the same, please go through the entire video a couple of times. That should give you a clear idea with regards to the process. Okay. Having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper pertaining to all the sections, please feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Okay. With all this said and done, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So having said that, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.